Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And once again, the gasser is broke. So the boy here, he was driving, shredded serpentine belt. So upon further inspection, the idler puller and tensioner were bad. So we're gonna go ahead and change those out. So let's take a look at what he's got going on. So this is the idler pulley. You can see that one's kind of chewed up a bit. And that's the tensioner pulley. You can see that one's destroyed. So we've got those both pulled off. The idler goes here, the tensioner goes here. So we're gonna run to the parts store real quick, get some new ones, and we've already got a new belt, and then we'll get those put back on. So here he's installing the new tensioner pulley, and that is a reverse thread. So it makes it a little tricky. Be tightening that up. And as said before, that is a reverse thread, so make sure you got your ratchet set correctly. Alright, now here's the idler puller going on. And from the forums that we've read, the torque spec on this is about 35 foot-pounds. So we're going to snug that up. And here's the new belt that we got. Now, as you can see, I'm pointing at the sticker. Most of these have the sticker right on the radiator support. And we'll try the best to watch him do this. This does get tricky and it can get frustrating because as you put on one pulley, it comes off another, and sometimes you need a couple more hands. But I'm gonna make this boy do it by himself. I know he can do it. I've seen him do it before. Now we're watching from the driver's side of the truck. Line. Alright, back to the passenger side. So you can see everything's all back on and ready to go. So now we'll go ahead and get her fired up. There you are, pullers and serpentine belt all done. Now that guy down there, that is a 15 millimeter. You can change just the pulley. You don't have to do the entire setup. It's a little cheaper that way. And then this guy is a Torx bit. And that size there is a T50. So there you go, gasser's all fixed. Serpentine belt's on, pulley's done, so that guy's running again. We did have to actually change the master cylinder on the brakes last week. We didn't get any footage of that, so I do apologize for that. The boy's been working on his truck, so we've got that guy over here. So there's that guy there. And there you have it. So I know we've been doing a lot of fish content lately and not so much vehicle content. So I just want to drop a little video here with you so you can see we haven't forgot them. We're still working on the trucks. Got some more other stuff to do also. We did mess with the Fairlane. That didn't come out very well, unfortunately. So I'll drop some footage of that in. Well, as you can see, the car's still on the trailer. And this is where it's going to remain because I just don't have anywhere to put it at the moment. But I do want to get it started. So last week I did oil the cylinders. And now we're going to try to turn it by hand. Alright, so we've pulled the plugs out of that side. Now we're going to work on this side. That way there's no restriction or compression trying to fight us on turning this motor over. So we're good there. Now we should be able to see, is this motor going to turn? All the plugs are out. Seized up water pump is out of this equation. Man, that is not looking good. Not at all. Yeah, not looking good. And as you can see, I had higher hopes for it. Unfortunately, that didn't work out. So if you like this video, definitely give it that thumbs up. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And we will see you in the next one.